Good morning. So this pub walk starts at the White Horse at Chilgrove. Very nice pub. There's two pubs on this walk. Neither of them are going to be open today. Not at this time in the morning anyway. It's nice and early, about 6 o'clock. And I'll just turn around and show you the view of the countryside. But before I do that, I have to remind you that if you want to do this walk and you're in the Chichester area, then I'll put a link for the map, and you can just go on the website, get the map, print it or download it. I don't know if you can download it, but you can print it. You know, it's very old school, and then you can get all the details for it. But meanwhile, have a look at this. The first part of this walk is around about 20 metres or so from the road, runs parallel with the road. So you can hear some background noise from the cars. This is only about, not even just gone 6 o'clock, literally about 1 or 2 minutes past 6 o'clock in the morning. And already the road out there is so busy, and this is just a little country road in the middle of nowhere. Kind of disappoints me actually. But not so much that they're disturbing the peace, that's not the problem. It's the fact that everybody is so busy. I literally got here about 20 minutes ago and there was 1 or 2 cars occasionally. Now by 6 o'clock it's already sort of like constant flow of traffic. Well, never mind anyway. I love these stacks of wood. They're so huge, and I always wonder, you know, what are you going to do with all of this timber? I mean, I don't know. Some of it there looks way too small to put into planks. Other bits look okay to put into planks, but I wouldn't have a clue. In fact, one day I'd love to see the sort of process of here, where they go from here and how they're treated from here. There you go. Tens of years in the woodworking industry and I still haven't got a clue about these stacks of wood. So when you get to this gate, you'll see there's a little pathway to the side. This is a legitimate pathway, you know. Although it says private on the front, this is actually, you know, a legal pathway, as you can see up here in the corner. There's the footpath marker. So if you're coming this way, this is the way you've got to go. So one of the parts I like about this particular pathway is the tunnelling effect. I think it looks really amazing. As of yet, I think I've pretty much failed to record it well. There you go. The other thing I like about this path is it leads to a really nice little country pub called the Royal Oak at Hooksway. There we go. coming in a view right now. The Royal Oak. Royal Oak of Hooksway. Here we go. Proper old school English pub. One thing about the Royal Oak you've got to be careful about is the opening times. I'm not going to go through all the boring details or even show you what the opening times are, but I think part of the adventure is come down and find out yourself whether it's open. But as you walk past the Royal Oak pub, you'll see 3 roads. It's the middle road, this one, restricted by road, middle road here. Now I don't particularly like this road, so you come up this road and you think, oh yeah, it's quite steep, but I can make it, you know. And you get to what you think is the top, and you go, oh, that's it, I made it, that wasn't too bad. And then next thing you know, it wasn't the top, it was the halfway point. It's like, oh man, you know, so deceptive. So, got time off, enough time to enjoy my day in the countryside, and still moaning about something. The road starts to level out flat, and this is where I think, oh yeah, turn right here and we're on the downhill stretch, but it's not. But the reason I thought I'd better say that is it is really similar to the next part. But the thing is, at this bit you just got to keep on walking, so if you're coming this way, don't get too excited at this point. People will go, oh well, I've done the walk and I didn't find that hill too taxing, too demanding. This is the signpost here with a restricted byway, just continue on up. And this ground behind me, I really don't know where that goes, but that's not part of the walk. So this is where we've got to keep on going. How much more up do you want? Flipping. I don't know, mate. I don't know. All this beautiful countryside and have to put hills in the middle of it. You know, what's wrong with them? I've made it up to the point where you need to make a right turn. As you see from the sign, the restricted byway of the South Downs Way goes straight on. There is actually another path over there. I think in total it's about 15-20 minutes to get up here. So that's not really the end of the world, but of course a little bit of moaning never hurt. And then go straight down here, which should be on your right hand side. Of course I'm just posing with the camera, so I'll do it another way. So just go down here on your right hand side, and this is where you'll find a nice place for like maybe a cup of tea. This is where I have a cup of tea with my dad, enjoy the view, and quite a nice spot. So from this gate here you can see a great view. Now I believe over there must be Goodwood over there, I imagine. We've got the radio mast and stuff up on there. I don't know, is what I'll say. But you can see right over there. So let's have a look. that's my spectacular drone footage of this area, which we're in now, and I hope you enjoyed that bit of footage. So pretty much on the home straight now, heading towards the, well, heading back to the White Horse at Chilgrove. So, but they won't even be open for like anything, like not even coffee or anything at the moment. It's only about 7:30, not even 7:30 yet in the morning. So I might just go out later and treat myself to breakfast. I don't know, somewhere nice anyway, just chill. I love just going out and eating my breakfast, you know, like go to Bill's, something like that. I like it. Just sit there chilling, drinking some coffee, having some breakfast. It's well nice. Alright, there we go. I particularly like this little bit of the walk. A tiny little hill I've got to get up. But this is a second to last hill. And although it's pretty steep, it is so quick. Take about 30 seconds, something like that. I don't know. Takes no time at all. Go. So this is the last little bit of countryside path, so really a track I suppose, but then we get onto a country road and we're straight back down to the White Horse at Chilgrove. So this is the last little section. It's nice, mostly sort of genteel downhill. Very easy going, relaxing. For some reason or other I'm being plagued by flies this morning. So that's pretty much it now, just heading up the last little hill, downhill from there all the way to White Horse. You know, hope you enjoyed the video. But one of the things I wanted to do is get out and try out the drone. I've got footage. I didn't crash. There we go. 9 out of 10. I'll say so myself. Alright. That's it. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.